Labor group representatives say that the wage hike in Metro Manila announced by Labor Secretary Francis Tolentino should not derail efforts in Congress to pass a bill mandating a nationwide wage increase. In an interview on Tuesday, June 30, bukluran ng manggagawang Pilipino President Lucas Espiritu rejects the 85 pesos minimum wage increase for Metro Manila workers, calling it an insult and a slap to workers.
Para sa amin, sa labor movement, hindi namin tinatanggap at yan ay barya-barya, at yan ay insulto, at yan ay sampal, dapat tuloy ang legislated wage increase. So itong 85 pesos ng Regional Wage Board na hulugan, maliwanag na gagamitin ito ng employers group para sabihin na dapat wala ng legislated wage increase.
Minimum wages are set by regional wage boards, but slow and meager increases amid rising prices have spurred lawmakers to push for a salary increase legislated by Congress. The House Committee on Labor and Employment held a hearing on Tuesday during which it discussed several measures proposing to raise wages between 200 and 1,200 pesos. Meanwhile, Trade Union Congress of the Philippines spokesman Carlo Oñate also says Labor Secretary Tolentino's absence from Congress shows a preference to trumpet the Regional Wage Board decision.
Kaya pala wala si Secretary Tolentino dito sa Kongreso kasi mas pinili po niya na ipagyabang pa yung Regional Wage Board. Nabudol po ang manggagawa kay Sectol. Historic daw yung 85 pesos.
Tolentino earlier announced the wage hike which will benefit around 1.1 million Metro Manila workers at an event in Malabon Central Market.